Hey everyone, today I'm going to be teaching you how to create a cute little cat. So let's get started. So to create this cute little cat or kitten, whatever you want to call it, we are going to start by creating a dumpling-like shape. Okay, like let's start about here. Okay, so just bring it down, okay, like so, and I'm gonna take it a little further. Okay, and then I'm gonna bring it down about here. Okay, and then just round it up like so. Okay, it's a little bit curved. Let me just fix that. Now it's better in my opinion. So when you have this dumpling-like shape, okay, all you need to do is create another oval-like shape, okay, like so, and from here as well. Okay, now just connect two shapes or lines, connect the two lines. So you have these two shapes now. Okay, now about here, okay, you are going to create these ovals, okay, but you're not gonna close them. Okay, they're gonna be like this, and another one here. Okay, to this, we're gonna bring it out, bend it, and put it about here. Okay, now what is this? This is the white area, okay, it's like a pattern a cat has. Okay, and about here you are going to create a tail. Curve and just connect it like so. Okay, and here we are going to create these oval shapes. Okay, just for easy, you can create spike-like shapes as well. Okay, let me just fill these in. And about here is gonna be the nose. Okay, and for that, what we are going to do, we're gonna draw this like oval-like shape. Okay, about here is gonna be the nose. Okay, like so. Here is gonna be the mouth. Okay, and then two lines for the whiskers here are gonna be the cat ears. Eyes, I'm gonna make 2 big circles. Okay, like so. And let's make a big one here. Okay, just color it in. Just 2 lines. And here, what we're gonna do is create a pattern. Okay, so that is our cute little cat. I hope you liked this video. In the description below, I will make this some kind of merchandise. Okay, tell me in the description below, in the comment section below, tell me in the comment section below whether you would like this as a sticker or on a shirt or something. Okay, just tell me and I will make it for you, like put it on a shirt or something. Okay, I really hope you like this one. Like, subscribe, and share with all your friends, and I hope to see you in the next one. Till then, peace.